Hello friends and welcome back. So today we will discuss about agile model, which is a revolutionary approach in software development. So without wasting any time, grab a notepad and let's begin. Have you ever been on a project where everything was planned perfectly on paper but somehow it all fell apart? The client changed their mind, the deadline got tighter and suddenly chaos. Well, that's where agile model comes in, a smarter, faster way to build software. So in this video, we'll break down what agile model is, how it works. Before agile, we had the waterfall model, a rigid step-by-step approach where you gather all requirements upfront, design the system, build it, test it, and only then finally show it to your customer. And the problem, by the time you get feedback, it is often too late or too expensive to make changes. Once you finish the stage, there was no going back. So if requirements changed at later stage, which they always do, you are stuck, right? So then the agile model was adopted to fix all that. Agile isn't just one process, it is a mindset. It's about working in short cycles, getting faster feedback, and being ready to adapt at any moment. Instead of building the whole product in one go, agile teams build it piece by piece in iterations, often called sprints. Each sprint results in a working piece of software which gets reviewed, tested, and improved based on real feedback. Agile is iterative, collaborative, and flexible. Agile development follows a repeating cycle of phases that happen in short bursts, not a big one-time effort. So here's how each iteration works. Teams sit with stakeholders to understand the business needs and prioritize what is most important. Then design the requirements, create quick sketches, wireframes or prototypes, and the goal is to visualize solutions and align on expectations. Developers write code in short, focused sprints, building and integrating features continuously. Testing is done alongside development, helping to catch bugs early and ensure each feature works smoothly. Testing is not a phase, it is continuous. Release the features in increments, no more waiting months to ship something. Working software is deployed frequently, often every sprint, giving users something real to interact with. And then the teams collect feedback from users and stakeholders and jump into the next iteration. This loop keeps going, allowing the team to adapt, improve, and build the right product, not just the planned one. This model offers many advantages, especially in fast-paced or evolving projects. It offers flexibility and welcomes changing requirements, even late in development, which is critical in dynamic industries. Early and frequent delivery. Software is released in usable chunks, so customers get value sooner and teams can work faster. Bugs and issues are caught early, reducing last-minute surprises and costly fixes. Regular check-ins and demos keep the customer involved and ensure you are building what they actually need. It encourages daily communication across roles like developers, designers, quality analysts, and other stakeholders who all are working as one unit. With each sprint, teams reflect on what worked and what didn't, improving not just the product but the process too. Now, there are some disadvantages of agile model as well. Frequent changes can expand the project beyond its original goals, making it harder to manage time and cost. I have made a detailed video on scope creep and how you can avoid it. You can go and watch it for better understanding. Uncertain timelines. Since work is broken into cycles, it can be hard to predict exactly when the entire project will be done, right? Teams unfamiliar with Agile needs time and support to adopt it effectively, otherwise, it can create more confusion than clarity. And moving quickly can sometimes lead to rush decisions or neglected code quality, which pile up as technical debt if not managed. How Agile model is different from waterfall model. Agile works in short, cyclic segments, which means build, test, and refine, while waterfall follows a strictly linear path, which means plan everything first, then build to completion. Changes are expected in Agile model, so the process is designed to incorporate feedback and turn up quickly. While in waterfall model, any change mid-project generally means significant rework. Feedback is gathered each sprint, allowing teams to address concerns before they compound. While in waterfall model, users or client feedback typically happens near the project's end or upon delivering, limiting the ability to incorporate improvements early, right? Agile model emphasizes delivering smaller functioning components regularly and giving stakeholders tangible progress updates. While in waterfall model, the finished product is delivered all at once, usually at the end of the entire project timeline. So, Agile is built for change. Waterfall works best when everything is known upfront, and rarely is that the case in modern projects, right? I have already made a detailed video on waterfall model as well. For more detailed understanding, you can go and watch that video. So, whether you are building a mobile app, a website, or a full scale platform, Agile gives you the tools to adapt and succeed. So, guys, this is all we have for today. I hope you found this video insightful. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you for watching. Consider joining me on LinkedIn. See you soon with another topic, another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.